morning, yogi. Welcome to my bed. Today I'm bringing you a morning yoga sequence you can do right in bed when you wake up. So if you want to wake up with some yoga, come flow with me.
Begin with a full body stretch. Take your legs and arms out long. And next we'll go into a reclined butterfly. Bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall wide. Place one palm on your heart and one palm on your belly. Take a moment just to notice your breath. Notice any sensations you might be feeling within your body, your mind, and your heart. Notice the rise and fall of your chest and belly, feeling gratitude for your breath as you wake up this morning. Deep breath in and out. With your next exhale, bring your knees back together, hug your knees into your chest, and maybe take some rocks side to side or forward and back. As you exhale, drop both knees over to your right side, extend your left arm out long. Turn your chin towards your left shoulder for a gentle reclined twist. Waking up your spine with this twist here, allowing your breath to still guide you. Inhale your way back to center. As you exhale, drop both knees over to your left side. Right arm goes out long. Turn your chin towards your right shoulder. Sending love to your spine here. As you inhale, make your way back to center once more, and then begin to rock forward and back until you make your way up into a seat. If you feel like your hips are sinking low here, you can always sit on top of your pillow or a couple of pillows, keeping your spine nice and long here in a seat. With your palms on your knees, as you exhale, tuck your chin in and round your upper back for a seated cat pose. Inhale, lift your chest and chin for a seated cow pose. Continue for a few more cycles of breath, going at your own pace, lingering wherever you need to. Inhale your way back to center. Begin to take some clockwise neck circles here. And with your next breath, switch directions. Again, take it slow and gentle. Come back to center with your next breath and lift your chin. Take a moment here just to lengthen the back of your neck by tucking your chin in just slightly and lifting through the back of your head. And then drop your right ear towards your right shoulder for a gentle neck stretch here. You can place your right palm on top of your head just as a slight weight here. Try not to pull or force. You can also extend your left arm out to the left to deepen the stretch slightly. Continuing to breathe in and out. Release your palm, inhale back to center. As you exhale, drop your left ear towards your left shoulder. Again, if you'd like, you always have the option to place the left palm on top of your head. And you also have the option to extend your right palm out to the right. Notice where you feel this stretch. Allow your breath to travel to that space. On your next breath, release the palm. Inhale your way back to center. Keeping your right palm down, inhale, lift the left fingertips up and overhead as you bend towards your right side. Feel the length of the left side of your body here. Inhale your way back to center. Plant the left palm down. Inhale the right fingertips high as you bend over towards your left side. Again, feel the stretch in the right side of your body. Inhale your way back to center, and we'll take a couple rounds, one breath per movement. And bending over towards your right. Inhale back to center. Exhale, bend over towards your left side. Inhale back to center. Exhale over to your right side. Inhale back to center. Exhale back to the left one more time. Inhale back to center. Exhale over to your right. Inhale back to center. Exhale over to your left. Coming back to center one more time. You can place your palms on your knees or in your lap. And use a few moments just for a seated meditation here. Allow your focus to tune into your breath. Inhale, exhale. You can take this time to think of 3 things you're grateful for this morning as you start out your day. Take a moment here just to set an intention for the rest of your day. It might be just to be more present. Stay here as long as you'd like. And when you're ready, blink your eyes open. And you're ready for your day.
I hope that was just the perfect start to your morning and that you have a wonderful rest of your day. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to share it with someone you care about or on social media. If you share it on social media, be sure to tag me at Shreya so I know and so I can cheer you on. It always means a lot to me and helps me grow this channel if you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos every single Saturday. Leave me a comment below and let me know which one of these poses was your favorite to wake up with. If you want some more relaxing yoga flows, check out this playlist right here. YouTube thinks you'll like that video as well. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.